It's where the magic happens. It's where all the promises come to fruition. Everything we've told the customers, the feeling they're expecting, the product they're expecting, the finish they're expecting, it's all delivered in the install department. Without the final experience that our team delivers to the customers every day, we wouldn't be able to advertise like we can, we wouldn't be able to brag like we do, and Centra wouldn't be Centra with what the install department brings to the team.
The install department is a group of owners that enjoy working outside in all kinds of weather. They have a work ethic of like none other. They enjoy what they do, they enjoy being outside, they enjoy meeting people, and it's a very rare thing to have in a group to work on a construction site, to be able to enjoy every day. Every house has a different method, so it doesn't get boring for them. So it's not monotonous like it can be on other construction sites.
Installing our own product matters so we can ensure accountability across the board in every department. We know that we've got owners installing great product in the house, we've got great salesmen promising great experience for the customer. It also gives us the ability to stand behind our product and know that the longevity of the product also matches the longevity of the install.
Being inside people's homes, in their kitchens, in their bathrooms, it's one of the hardest things within our industry to actually get right without things going wrong.
We know that for a customer, spending this amount of money on windows is a major decision for them. Having their house torn apart can create a lot of anxiety going into install day, and almost instantly as our teams show up on site, they create a great rapport, they create great trust. It puts the customers right at ease, and we see all the time online how much they appreciate the guys on site.
One of the best comments I've ever had was from a group of Strata owners, and they said it really tells that they're not just employed, they've got a vested interest, and it's not just another job. It's actually, they believe in what we're doing as a company and as owners. And that gives us, again, control of the situation so we can make sure the customer gets serviced very quickly, even if things go wrong.
I think employee ownership does mean the world to our customers. They know the difference between a subcontractor coming into your house or an employee owner that really isn't invested in the finish, and how the company looks, how the customer feels at the end of the job. A subcontractor is simply there, get the job done as quickly as possible and move on to the next job and make a quick check. Our team is personally and financially invested in the overall performance of Centra, how every job goes, how every customer feels, and I think it's blatantly obvious when we take a look at the performance and the reviews that come out of every job.
Having an open dialogue throughout departments to where we can change, how we can do things better, and I've never seen that in any other company.
I think we've got a fantastic culture in installs. We've got a really tight-knit group that likes to spend time with each other. They like coming to work. They like the customers. We give everybody the safety and the trust to try new things, to stretch themselves. They're safe to say, I don't know, or I haven't done this before. It gives us the ability to really elevate people further than they could ever imagine they would have been. So we've got a really great culture for breeding excellence, moving people up and promoting within.